Hi everyone, I am Ayur Ninave, and in this video we are going to import a CSV data, which is a word count output data, to our HBase using HappyBase Python library. So here first we are going to start all the Hadoop daemons by using startval. Then we will start the HBase using start HBase. Then we will start the thrift. So we have to start thrift for using HappyBase. For that, use HBase-daemons.sh start thrift. Then we will check if all the daemons are running or not using jps command, and then we will write a Python script. So mention that here I am using Hadoop version 3.3.1 and HBase version as 1.4.6. And first step is to import everything. I am importing HappyBase as HB, importing my logger file, importing CSV. So first step is to connect to our HBase. So this is a keyword for connecting to our HBase. So con is equals to hb dot happybase dot connection dot open, and it will return connection. Then we have to create a table. So for creating a table, I am using this code. So here connection is equals to connect to HBase. So this will connect me to my HBase, and connection dot create table. So here I am creating table word count with two column families as cf1 and cf2, and if it is created successfully, then it will logging as table created successfully. And then I am importing my CSV file to HBase table. So for that, I am first connecting to HBase. Then I am connecting a table. So we have to create that table over here. So we have created a table in our previous one. So here we are mentioning that table, and then I am giving it input file. From here it is going to take our data, and for row in input file, table.put row id. So this will be your id, will be your unique id. And then cf1 is a string, so it will be named a string, and it will be taking word from that file. And cf2 count will be the number of counts, how much that word is coming in that file. And in here we are going to display the data. So to display the data, we are iterating through the table using scan id is equals to key.decode for value 1, value 2 in data dot items. cf1 is equals to value 1 dot decode. Here we are decoding the values, and then we are printing it. So it will be printed in our console, and then we run this program. And after running this program, our this table will be created, and this table will be created in HBase, and our all the data present in the file will be stored over here. So I'll just show you that data. In yes shell, I am going to scan that table. So let me first show you that it is created. So as you can see, we have table word count over here. So now let's scan it. So as you can see, our whole data is present over here. This is the first entry. So string is hdfs and count is 1. So it is coming for one time in our file. And value is unit, word is unit, and the count is 1. So here as you can see, it is mentioned over here. Is for coming there for 2 times. So like this, our data will be stored in HBase using HappyBase commands. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.